how to choose the right marketing agency for you or your brand. I'm Malay from Caliac Studios, and here's how to choose the right marketing agency which can help you identify if your current one is a good fit. Number 1, define your goals. Before diving into agencies, know what you want to achieve. Is it brand awareness, lead generation, or increased sales? This clarity will help you find an agency with the right expertise. Number 2, research and shortlist. Look for agencies with experience in your industry and with goals similar to yours. Check out their online presence, portfolio, and client testimonials. Number 3, expertise and fit. Agencies specialize in different areas like social media or SEO or digital marketing. Choose one with expertise in what you need. It's also important to consider their company culture and communication style. You want a good fit for your collaboration. Ask questions and check track record. Ask about their process, how they measure success, and for specific examples of results they have achieved for similar clients. Number 5, budget and terms. Get clear proposals outlining services, costs, and contracts. Make sure everything aligns with your budget and expectations before signing. I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to follow and share. Thank you.